stay further away from the bumpers. You get a better turning radius.
You do, yeah.
It's just like staring straight ahead. He's like, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, so there we go. Now we're gonna start your road test. So I'm gonna grab my booklet here. I'll make it as official as possible. I'll be marking you. So are you using one of our vehicles for your road test, or?
Yes, I think so, yeah.
Okay, so we'll be here probably with me. And when we get to the road test center across the street on that day, we're going to be backing it in, so when you start your road test, you'll be facing forward. And then when we get there, we'll shut everything down. We'll go inside, get you registered. It only takes maybe 5 minutes or so. Just got to make sure you bring your license. And then we come back out to the car and we can start everything up. You could put your seatbelt on and everything. Turn your lights on and just sit there, wait for the examiner. That's the hardest part about the road test, is waiting for the examiners to come out. They could come out within 2 minutes, they could come out within 30 minutes. So that's where people's nerves start to go and start thinking too much about it. Yeah. So yeah, don't overthink things. And then when the examiner comes out, she'll come up to your window and ask to see your license. And then they'll do a little circle check. So they'll get you to honk the horn. Go ahead and tap the horn just so you know where it is. Yeah, that's it right there. You found it. And you're probably wondering, why is he honking at me? And then and then they'll like a left signal, right signal, all that. Now they'll walk back behind the car. We'll do this part together. So go ahead and put your foot on the brake. They'll ask you to put it in reverse. And your window's going to be open, and they'll probably yell at you, please don't take your foot off the brake, because they're right behind you. So you can go ahead and put it in park. They'll get in, and they'll give you the little speech, little script. They follow a script.
Okay.
It's very scripted.
Yeah.
So they'll say stuff like, just make sure you obey the rules of the road, the traffic signs, road signs, traffic signals, and they'll